Good morning to all. Today we are going to see the summary of Course Book Chapter 14 Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is a novel by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was an English writer and great novelist. This story talks about the difficult life of orphans, especially the life of Oliver Twist. They have to live in poor conditions, they never have enough to eat, and have to learn to work at an age when children usually study and play. This story helps you to understand the condition of poor children in the 19th century. The main characters of this story are Oliver Twist, Mrs. Munn, Mr. Bumble, the Master. So let's begin the summary. Oliver's mother dies shortly after giving birth to him. No one knows where she came from or where she was headed. Oliver is handed over to a selfish workhouse manager, Mrs. Munn. She is a greedy person. She was given enough money to take care of these children, but she kept most of it for herself. Under her care, the children are underfed, pale, and unhealthy. They were treated very badly. As a result, Oliver has not grown enough for his age. When Oliver turns 9, Mr. Bumble had come to take Oliver back to the workhouse. It was not good for him because he could not get an education or even healthy food and enough clothes. Mr. Bumble comes across as a harsh man who does not care much for the children and makes them work so that he could earn money out of the children's labor. He is also quite funny because of the way he invents the name of the orphan children. The orphans do not get enough to eat. After 3 months, they held a council to discuss who would go to the master after supper to ask him for extra gruel as they were not being fed properly and felt hungry. The lot falls on Oliver. When they all finish their gruel means a thin liquid made of oatmeal boiled in milk or water. Oliver picks up his basin and spoon and goes up to the master to ask for more. The master goes pale in shock. When Oliver repeats his request, the master tries to hit Oliver on the head with the ladle and screams out for the beadle. The next day, a notice is pasted on the main door offering £5 to anyone who would take Oliver as an apprentice. Apprentice means a person who learns a trade from a skilled person. So, in the story, you can see that Oliver could not enjoy the joys of childhood. Instead, he was forced into child labor. You might have seen little children who are unable to go to school. So, you should aware about the less fortunate children, that means unlucky children around you, and think of ways to help them. At the same time, you should count your blessings and be grateful to God for giving you good home, school, parents, warm and fresh food, clean clothes, etc. Hope you have understood this story. All of you practice reading this chapter and complete your work. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.